Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all will be fine. Today our topic is cube and cube roots. Cube of a number means to multiply the number by itself 3 times. It means, for example, we have a number x multiplied by x multiplied by x equals to x cube. Another example we have 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which is 2 power 3. 3 denoted the cube. And here 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, 3 cube, 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4, 4 cube. Now
Perfect cube. Perfect cube is a number
that is a result of multiplying an integer by itself 3 times. In other words, it is an integer to third power of another integer. For example, we have a cube of 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 2 cube, and 8. 8 is a perfect cube of 2. Another example we have 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, 3 power 3, and we get 27. So 27 is a perfect cube of 3. 216 is a perfect cube of 6. For example, we have a value 1.2. So the cube of 1.2 is equal to 1.2 multiplied by 1.2 multiplied by 1.2. So by the multiplication, we get 1.728, which is the perfect cube of 1.2. Cube roots of number which are perfect cube. For example, so square root equals to 1 over 2, and 2 power is cancelled with 1 over 2, which is a square root value, and we get 4. But in cube, the sign of cube is under root and the power is 3. It means under root cube equals to, or square root cube equals to 1 over 3. So for example, we have a value 8 and cube of 8, 2 power 3, 3 cancel with 3, and then we get 2. For example, find the cube root of 125. So firstly we factorize 125 and get 5 cube. So 5 cube, 3 cancel with 3, and we get 5. It means that 5 is a cube root of 125. So the next example we have 9216. Firstly we factorize. So फैक्टराइज करने के बाद हम जब पेयर बनाएंगे तो हमने पेयर बनाने हैं 3 वैल्यूज़ के. इट मीन्स 3 क्यूब एंड 7 क्यूब. सो क्यूब की जो पावर होगी वो कैंसिल हो जाएगी 1 over 3 के साथ, और हमारे पास जो वैल्यू बाकी होगी उसका प्रोडक्ट होगा वो 21. सो द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज़ प्रॉपर्टीज़ ऑफ क्यूब ऑफ नंबर्स. So first property, if we have a positive number then the cube is always positive. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि जब हमारे पास पॉजिटिव वैल्यू होगी और उसका हम क्यूब लेंगे तो वो पॉजिटिव वैल्यू में आएगा, यानी साइन उसके साथ पॉजिटिव आएगा. और अगर नेगेटिव होगी तो उसके साथ नेगेटिव आएगा, बिकॉज माइनस माइनस प्लस एंड प्लस माइनस माइनस, सो द आंसर इज इन माइनस. नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी, क्यूब ऑफ इवन नंबर इज़ इवन. इसका मतलब इवन नंबर का क्यूब हमेशा इवन नंबर होगा और ऑड नंबर का क्यूब हमेशा ऑड में आएगा. द नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी, क्यूब ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टीज अंडर अ मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन. सो ये हमारे पास मल्टीप्लिकेशन की प्रॉपर्टी है ऑफ क्यूब, और ये हमारे पास डिवीजन की प्रॉपर्टी है. द नेक्स्ट, क्यूब नंबर ऑफ अ परफेक्ट क्यूब. वी हैव सम एग्जांपल. 6 is a perfect cube of 216, 4 is a perfect cube of 64, and 512 is a perfect cube of 8. So these are some examples of perfect cube. Now we start exercise 2.9, question number 1, which are the perfect cubes. So the first question we have 512. Firstly, we factorize 512. So 2 is an even number. So 512 is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, and 2 6s are 12. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, and then 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2. So we make pairs according to cube. So we have 2 cube, 2 cube, 2 cube, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 8, and then 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 8. Then the next is also 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which is 8. So we have 8 3 times, it means 8 cube. So 512 is a perfect cube of 8. The next question we have 1100. Firstly, we factorize 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, and 0 bring down. So 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10. We have 275, the last digit is 5, so it is divisible by 5. 5 5s are 25, 2 carry and 5 5s are 25, then 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, so we have 11, 11 1s are 11. So see these values, here the value is not in cube, so 1100 is not a perfect cube of any number. So the next question we have 6859. So firstly we factorize 19 3s are 57, 11 carry, so value becomes 115, 19 6 are 114, 1 carry, 19 1s are 19, then 19 1s are 19 and 17 carry, 19 9s are 171, so 19 1s are 19. So we have a value in cube which is 19. So 6859 is a perfect cube of 19. Exercise 2.9, question number 2, find the cube roots of the following. The first question we have 729. So by taking cube root, which is under root part 3, so firstly we factorize and then we make pairs in 3 power. So we have 3 cube and 3 cube because this is only divisible by 3. And then write the power of cube root, which is equal to 1 by 3. So cancel 1 by 3 with power 3. So we get 3 multiplied by 3 and 3 multiplied by 3 equals to 9. So cube root 729 equals to 9. Next question we have 15,625. So by taking cube root, firstly we factorize and it is divisible by 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 1 carry, 5 2s are 10, and then 2 carry, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 1 carry, 5 2s are 10, 2 carry, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 1 carry, 5 2s are 10, and 2 carry, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 2 carry, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, and then 5 1s are 5. So we have a value 5 in cube. So now we write the power of cube, which is 1 over 3. So multiply 3 power with 1 over 3 and cancel the power. So we get 5 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 25. It means cube root of 15,625 is 25. Exercise 2.9, question number 3, find the cube root of the following. So the next question we have 1.4. By taking cube root, we write power 3 means 1.4 multiplied by 1.4 multiplied by 1.4. So firstly we multiply the both values and then with 1.4 and get answer, which is 2.744. So 1.4 cube equals to 2.744. Next question we have 0.4. So by taking cube 0.4 cube, which is equal to 0.4 multiply 0.4 multiply 0.4. So firstly we multiply 0.4 with 0.4 and then with 0.4, which is 0.064. So 0.064 is a cube of 0.4. The next question is find the cube roots of the following. So the first question we have 27 divided by 216 by taking cube root, which is cube root part 3 by taking cube root. So we write cube root with power, which is 1 over 3. So firstly we factorize 27, which is divisible by 3. So 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. The next value is 216. So 216 is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2. Here 1 is smaller value than 2, so we put 0 here and get 2 values, which is 16. So 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14. So now the value is an odd number. It is divisible by 3. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Now we make pair according to cube. So here we have a 3 cube and 2 cube multiplied by 3 cube. Then cancel the power with 1 over 3, which is cube root. So we get 2 multiplied by 3. 3 2s are 6 and 3 by 2 is a cube root of 27 by 216. Next question is 35,937. So by taking cube root and write the value of cube, which is 1 over 3. Now factorize the value. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 2 carry and 3 9s are 27, 2 carry, 3 7s are 21, then 2 carry and 3 9s are 27. So 3 3s are 9, 2 carry, 3 9s are 27, and then 2 carry, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9. The summation of this value is divisible by 3, so these values are divisible by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Now the value is divisible by 11. So 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22, and then 1 carry, 11 1s are 11. So 11 1s are 11, 1 carry, 11 1s are 11, 11 1s are 11. So we have value in cube 3 and 11. So the power of 11 and
3
is cancelled with the power of cube root. So we get 3 multiplied by 11, which is equal to 33. So 33 is a cube root of 35,937. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.